Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kay here. Today I'm just going to be doing a really quick little mini tutorial for you guys and show you how I put on my Upart wig that I will be using my Blossom Bundles hair. And this is the Upart wig right here. As you can tell, it's probably about time for it to get another wash. Yeah, it's about time for it to get another wash. But this is how it's installed. This is the U part. I just tie it. I just tie the adjustable straps together to make it a little tighter on my head. But I'm just going to show you guys how I throw this on and get out the door, like for those really quick, like mornings when I'm late and on my way to class. I found my comb right now. But I'm just going to go ahead and part the part of my hair that I will be leaving out. Just kind of section this part off. So this is the part that will be left out that will cover the track and the front, guys. And then what you're gonna do, part a skinny part that I'm going to either make a braid, or I normally flat twist because my braids be all loose. I'm not the best French braider, so I'm just gonna part a very thin piece.
It doesn't have to be a perfect ponytail, but the flatter the better, because you don't want no lumps and bumps.
At this point, you can either braid, make a braid across. Like I said, I'm not the best braider. My braids be kind of loose. Like I'm still practicing, trying to perfect my French braids, but my flat twist be really tight. So that's what I'm going to do. That's what I normally do. I normally flat twist. Now, if you don't know how to flat twist, it's basically just like French braiding, except for it's only 2 strands as opposed to 3 strands.
Putting in the time that it takes to be fly as a mother.
This and plop it on. So I like to start from the top and then kind of hold it to secure it and then pull it down over my ponytail. My bobby pins, the little thin ones like this, and just literally secure it all over. And how you're going to want to do is you want to make sure this is in front of that twist or braid if you did a braid. And I'm going to go ahead and start it from this side. And you want to make sure you're going underneath that twist or braid, so that way it's secured. Okay? normally install my, like when I'm running late and just kind of throw it on really quickly. Now you can sew it down. You don't have to bobby pin it. I just bobby pin it down because I am going to be washing my hair really soon. So I don't want to sew it down and then like waste thread. Like, no. Nope, not going to do it. But this is basically it. And then you could take it, I normally would run a flat iron through it just to make sure that it's just all together and beautiful and just perfect. But like, this is the final product, guys. So you a nice up and close and personal look. So you can see the top, like no tracks are showing, and it blends seamlessly. So like I said, that's just how I do that. Oh, I'm cute. Y'all like my pillow? Just like my new favorite bed set. But thanks so much for joining me and staying tuned and watching how I just throw this up together. If you guys have any requests or if you want to see anything specific, make sure you leave it down in the description box, and I will make sure that I will answer any questions that you guys have. So thank you again so much for staying tuned, and I will see you guys really soon. All right, see ya. Bye.